Hi, 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 Nath. Hi. So we are just waiting for others to join. Hello. So the main intention of this live is that I was getting a lot of queries regarding, the roadmap, how to follow, how to learn software testing. All this I was getting. So rather than replying, I thought let me do a Q&A and answer some of the queries that you were always requesting. So yeah, let's wait for some time. Okay. So 10 years of gap. Yeah, definitely you can try. But the thing is, either you have to, fill that gap through learning. One is you have to be very confident that you must be able to answer the questions that they are asking. At least, after that, if they feel that you're fit for that job, then definitely you will be chosen. Okay. So it is not like you'll not be able to get into, even if you have gap. You can get into it, actually. And the most common thing is like background. Which background I have to, I should have come from. So this is commonly asked question. So I thought, yeah, let me, answer all such queries via this live. So let's wait for some time. Okay. The first thing what I would like to talk about is background. So coming to the background, you can come from either computer science background, or basically from computer science background people are opted from either BCA, BSc, engineering, electric, electronic, anything is fine. Like with engineering, like mechanical, even mechanical engineers do work in software testing domain. But when it comes to degree, right, you have to either possess MCA, BCA, or BSc computer science, or BCom computer science combination. So all such combination, if you have learned in your college or degree, then definitely you will be picked up for interview. Non-technical degree, okay. Development course, manual testing or automation, which one? If you are from non-technical background, I would suggest you to go for testing itself, because with development, it is literally difficult, because you might have to learn each and every syntax. It takes lot of time. It is time consuming. So if you start with manual testing, and gradually you can pick up automation testing, or other testing as well. There is no limit. Like, there is not like automation testing only. We have mainframe testing, database testing, or ETL testing, big data, Hadoop. All these are there. It is not only restricted to manual and automation. After learning Selenium, which want to go either API or mobile testing? See, after learning Selenium, I would suggest you to go with automation, like Selenium itself. Why would you go with other types of testing? Either mobile or automation is also fine. Okay, mobile automation, you have to learn again APM. Okay, APM with mobile automation you can learn, and it is actually similar. You don't have to be like once you enter into a specific domain, right, you will be flexible enough to work on different types. Suppose, say, people will be asking what is the roadmap, right? When it comes to roadmap, there is initially, while entering into software testing, the first thing what you have to learn is manual testing. If you are thorough enough in manual testing, definitely you can get in. After that you have multiple ways. Either if you're interested in database testing, yeah, you can go with database testing like ETL testing, big data, all these you can go. If you are interested in automation, then learn automation tools. Okay. And also Java, there is JavaScript also you can go with right now current market trend is Selenium, so you can learn Selenium as well. Can you refer me in manual testing somewhere? Yeah, definitely, but right now I don't have any requirement as of now. And also one thing what I would like to tell is, um, as per some of the reports I have heard that there is a recession going on. They are terminating, they are asking the people to go out of the organization, but not sure how how much time it will go actually. So I'm hoping it will end by the end of this year. So after that maybe you will get a lot of opportunities is what I believe, because right now it is because of there are less number of projects. Because of that you might be not seeing much more job openings. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, definitely recession impacts on the opportunities, because unless you have project then only they will hire you. If there are no projects, why they will hire you? So that is the reason. If there are no projects, then definitely it affects the opportunities. 3.6 years of experience in manual testing, in automation testing, which tool is better to learn and useful? See, right now the trend is that after you start automating, right, after you learn Selenium, another which is like top at the top, which is that is javascript JavaScript automation. That is like Mocha is there, Jasmine is there, and cloud automation majorly. Cloud automation is on bank. If you learn cloud automation, definitely it is more than Selenium. Okay, and the opportunities are also more for that. I'm applying to some of the companies, but I didn't get any calls. Yeah, yeah, because you might be, it might be the effect of recession, is what I'm suspecting. Because as per some of the reports, it says that, recession is going on, because they're asking the people to put paper, and they're using some different tricks to terminate the people. So might be because of that reason it is an effect impact of that. So might be wait till the December. If you are trying to switch your career, then also you wait till this December and then see how the market is, current market is. And if you're a fresher, right, what I would suggest is, if you're not able to sit, because I know how painful it will be if you want to sit idle without job. So at that time what I would suggest is, have some alternative in the sense like a freelancing. Right now freelancing sites like freelancing is there, and then true lancing is there. All these will be having some of the opportunities, but the thing is it is difficult to get the job, but definitely there are a lot of opportunities with freelancing as well. From that also you can learn and then you can earn. And another thing is like U test, right? U test is also one of the usability test platform. So which is why I'm telling that if you don't have job right now and if you're a fresher, then definitely try some websites like that. Parallelly you can earn also, and also you can learn also. So that is one of the best, or good opportunity, I would like to say. Roadmap for freshers. Yeah. Coming to the fresher roadmap, the first thing you have to be strong is in the manual testing. After learning manual testing, learn database testing. A little, at least a little database testing is required. Suppose if you, learn basic like select query, how do you select, how do you insert the record, how do you update the record, all these basics is much enough. Okay, and after that if you want to learn API testing, then definitely even for freshers now, nowadays they're asking the API testing questions as well. So do learn some API testing as well, like using Postman. Okay, and there are different types of API testing as well, like REST and then SOAP. Better always to go with REST, because nowadays most of the companies are using REST only, and only the company, some of the companies are using the SOAP. What is the scope of codeless automation tools, jobs, and future of codeless automation tools? Yes, codeless automation, yeah, definitely there is lot of scope for codeless automation as well. So you might have heard about Tosca. It is one of the tool which is like less code automation, like less, you don't have to learn much coding for that. So that is also in scope, but the thing is at least you have to know the little coding for that. If you want to, if you want to do something, if you want to launch a browser, at least you should be knowing, you should have the touch of automation, right? How do you do that, all that? So you have to learn for that as well. And it is one of the paid tool, but I have used Tosca, and it is one of the good tool, I would say. And right now, if you want to practice codeless automation, you can go for Catalan Studio as well. It is a freeware. um, and which website we can earn, ma'am? Okay, so first is freelancing you can try, and then true lancing, or else you can try Utest. And there are some of the applications which are websites, okay, websites which are similar to Utest, like Test Bytes or some other websites are there. Actually you can try them, and they are good. Actually, even I have tried Utest, but I did not get much chance to work on Utest. If you just find the bug, then you will be paid for that. How much useful in data structure and algorithms for Selenium? Yeah, data structures. See, what happens is while you automate using Selenium, you will have to automate database as well. Some of the, you have to fetch the data from the database. You have to write the queries. I don't see like algorithms are not really. I have seen till now, because algorithm, no, no, I don't really know what kind of algorithm you are asking for. Um, Okay, Viraj, BSc Computer Science. You're okay. I want to start my career as software tester. Would you like? Sorry, it is the chat is actually going off. So yeah, our first thing is manual testing only. With manual testing only, if you're strong enough in manual testing, right? So why I would tell you manual testing is important is the intention, or the, as a software tester, our first intention and our or as the throughout our journey, what we are making sure is the quality of the software. How we will make sure the quality of the software? By finding the defects, right? By finding the defects only we will ensure. So for that, how do you write the test case, how do you find the defects, all this will be, you will learn as part of the manual testing. So even though if you do automation testing, there also you will have to find the defects. It is not only like automating the two application. If you get any bugs or issues, then also you have to report it, right? At that time, the very basic thing, whether you should be able to identify whether it is a bug or not, right? At that time, manual testing is very much important. Like you must be having that analytical thinking skill, all that you have to have. For that reason, manual testing is base. After that, database testing and then API testing, you can learn like automation testing, whatever, there is no specific roadmap. It is all based on your interest. Yeah, database testing, yeah, you can learn. SQL or MySQL. Yeah, and also there are sorry, and also you can, if you are interested to learn, cloud big data or ETL testing, then also you can go with the testing like SQL. It is an upper part, or else it is like little higher part of it after SQL, right? So yeah, hope I have answered all of your questions. So let's meet in another live. Till then, bye bye.